am so excited because I convinced my boyfriend to order me my birthday gift 2 weeks early. What I asked for is something that I've been wanting since I was like in high school. So like it's been like 7 or 8 years now that I've been asking for this, and I got a complete kit and I'm so excited. So today I'm going to show you how I start up my new sewing machine. It is a Brothers CS6000i. I looked up a ton of reviews, a ton of different types of sewing machines before I actually ordered this one or decided on this one. And this one basically was like best one around for like children and young people, and I was like, wow, that sounds good, because I'm not like I'm just trying to make cute little tiny things like swimsuits and like little tops and like, you know, upcycle my clothing. It'd be real cute. What I'm gonna show you today is the sewing kit that I bought. I can link it below. It's from Amazon. Everything that I bought actually is from Amazon, so I'll just link everything. How about that? These are the bobbins I bought. You're gonna need these to put into your sewing machine along with your thread and stuff, so I'll show you in a second what to do with these Schmetch needles, universal needles, that said that they're supposed to fit. Hopefully they do. We've got the bobbins, we've got the needles, and we've got the craft kit. Hi, hello, fashion. Look, we have so many things. So we have, I think they said 41 of these little different colors, and they're super cute. I'm probably going to color coordinate these later because that's how I am. Yeah, these ones are colorful, cute. Crochet hook, which you can use as like a loop turner, so I'm excited about that. A little thimble, some little clippies, buttons, little tweezery. This is a stitch cutter, so that's fun. This really has like everything. Fabric marker, tape, measuring tape, scissors, needles, a little boop boop boop, some handheld sewing needles, a little magnifying glass, like out here looking like Sherlock Holmes. Pins, big safety pins, buttons, some more bobbins. I don't know if these ones fit, if they're this certain brother type, that I don't think that they'll actually go into my machine, so be careful about that. And these, you need pins, obviously, so you know like what you're doing and stuff. Pins. But yeah, all kinds of cool stuff in this thing, and it was like 20 bucks for the moment you've all been waiting for. 97 stitch functions, includes 7 styles of one-step auto buttonholes. This also has automatic needle threading. Here's the pedal. Zoom, zoom, zoom. I don't know what that is. Okay. Here is the wide table that you can attach. I'm probably not going to attach this right now, so don't hate me for it. But it's got a nice little measuring thingy. Boop-a-da-boo. It's probably not that hard to attach it. Just don't feel it. So this is actually super, super easy. You just plug in the pedal into this thing on the back side, and that's it. And then you take this black cord, high black cord, and you plug it in there. Plug it in right. And then you plug it in to an outlet. Oh yeah, so now we are going to wind up our bobbin, and this, I got it from inside of this little thingy. You pull this tab back and it pops open this little doodad, and then that was in there. So since this one just came with it, this is the one that I'm going to use. I'm going to place this little bobbin on top of here, making sure that the notch goes around the little thing right there. There's a little metal piece right here, so you have to make sure that the notches in the bobbin go around that. Okay, so now you're going to take your string and you're going to wind it this way around this little circle thing. There we go. Around and over, and then just pull it this way towards your bobbin. Ha! You're gonna put your thread through one of these little holes that you see on your bobbin. Haha. Alright, so after you put this thread through that little hole, then you have to kind of turn the bobbin a couple times so that you can wrap it around. And then you push this thing to the right. So I already pushed it, but yeah, you just whoop. And then you turn on your sewing machine. Hi. Do-do-do-do-do. You press down on the little pedal and it should start winding it. It worked. All swift and easy. Alright, so now that we have winded our bobbin, I'm gonna just cut it with this little thread cutter that it came with. See, nice and easy. I'm gonna take this, actually I'm gonna turn the machine off too first, because now we're gonna be messing down here and I don't wanna get chopped. So, machine off, bobbin, move back over, disengage with this little notchy thing. And you are going to place it back in and take the string and make sure it comes into right here and it follows this thingy. So place it through all of that. Curvature. Okay, so now you're done with this part. I replaced the little cover. Here is the string. Right there's a little cutter for the bottom thread. Now for the upper thread, we're going to come back up here and take this string, is this little wire under here, under there, and you're going to take your string, you're going to put it through the wire, or around that little thingy. So I just dropped it down. So we're in, and you just go over and down there. You just have it over right here. And then you're going to bring this down. So then you're going to bring your string down 2, so that's 2 right there. Then up and around 3, says 3 right there. And then you're going to come up here where there's this little thingy, number 4, and you're going to go up this side of it, up this side, and down this side of this little metal part. Yeah, and that hooks it in there. So now I'm hooked in. Now we're coming down here to 5. Okay, right now I'm threading my black string through this little tiny bar right here. This is the needle bar guide. And here is my string. You have to put it past that. So now I'm just nice and through that. Little triangle hook, and I'm going to wrap it around that. Like this. Like so. Under and past. You're going to drop the bar all the way down, and it's going to cause that thing to rotate. So now we're here. And when I let this go, these little thingies will cause it to go through the needle, and it'll, whatever, put it in there. I can't speak. There we go. We are through. I guess that. Okay. Cool. So Now you have to draw up your lower thread. So I'm going to pull my thread towards me. Use this button, this one right here, to lower my needle and then raise it back up again. You can kind of see the needle better. And here I've got my string, needle, all of that. See, now we have this, which I accidentally drew it up twice, but you get the gist. Okay, so after you lift the bottom thread, then you just place both of them to the back of the machine. Here are both of my threads. And then you can adjust your stuff and then you can start sewing. So, I'm just going to sew a little line down here to see if it works. But in order to start sewing, you need to push this little lever down, this little lever right here, and that'll cause this metal piece to push down as well. So, yep, so just a little bit of that action. I'm going to push that down. We are here, we are ready. We're about to sew into the future. It works! She works, and now to remove it, you just press this back up again and pull out. Use my little cutters. Now we have our little stitch. And this is what it looks like on the top. This is what it looks like on the bottom. Bottom stitch, that's why you were pulling out this one from over here and pulling it to the back so you can get that on both sides. And this is supposed to be like the top pretty side. But yeah, that's all you do to sew. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. I hoped it helped you start up your little sewing stuff.